Hey, guys, I got some new packages to open and I want y'all to come along with me. I started, but I was like, let me start over so y'all can see too. So as you see, I already started opening these, but I stopped. But these are Jingle Bells. They come with our sacral chakra anklets, and we also have a root chakra waist beaded anklet that you can get Jingle Bells on. You can get these. I ordered these on Etsy at an Etsy shop. It's called creativeaddictionco.com. And they also sent me some freebies that were really cool. One is like a tree of life charm, 2 bubble beads, and look at these 2 mini cowrie shells. They're really cute. So I'm definitely going to add these to my charm collection and hopefully get to make something for someone or a custom order. So yeah, these are really cool. This is the first time I ordered from this company. I got way more, a much better deal. Oh, look, they sent me candy too. And there's the Jingle Bells. They're really cute. It's a lot of them. I got like 200 for a really good price. Still looking for a bigger vendor, but I love supporting small businesses, so I don't care at the moment to order from Etsy. It's cool with me. Now, I've been ordering from Angela for a while now. Her business on Etsy is called Tree Child One Jewelry Findings and Supplies, and I've been getting my Ankh charms from her for about 4 years now. I just ordered about 30 this time. I think it's 30. But these are the gold Ankh charms that you can find on our African waist beads. We have a few. One is red, black, and green, and one is black and gold with the 3 Ankh charms in the middle. You can find that on our Etsy shop. Our Etsy shop is called Beaded and Balanced. And you can find the link in the bio of this TikTok page if you want to go check out our shop. And look, she sent me a bunch more freebies. She normally doesn't send me this many, so I was so excited to see what she sent me. One of them had that's the key. I love the key. Some angel wings was my favorite out of the whole group. It was also like a little baby duck charm and some little fishy and candy charms. Really cute little charms that I really like and appreciate. The freebies also gives me ideas of what I can send for freebies on my Etsy shop. But I love the charm idea. And I think charms may be a good idea for us because we send out waist beads and some people may want to add a charm. So yeah, last thing is that we that we got in the mail is a customer got an extra waist bead and was nice enough to send it back. I told her that she could keep it or regift it, and she decided that she would send it back. And I thought that